Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to disable or close news and interest in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, now when you hover your mouse on this icon, it will automatically show on screen, pop up on screen. It may be annoy you, so if you want to close and disable it, you can follow with my video. Okay, right click on taskbar and go to news and interest. Click on turn off. Okay, and second way you can go to setting. And type taskbar. Taskbar setting, and scroll down and find news and interest, and click on show new and interest on the taskbar. Turn off. Okay, already it is easy to close news and interest in Windows 10. Okay.